What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Well, today, small little update. I told you I was gonna be welding the front fender of my Golf to start the rebuild. I couldn't find, I could find a welder, but I can only use it on Saturday, so I'm waiting for Saturday. But in the meantime, what I've wanted to be doing for a while now is I have these beige interior pieces and I wanted to change them back to the black ones, and to do that I've gotta be crawling up and under stuff to find them. Well, they might be somewhere up there or somewhere down there. I don't know. I'll have to go and find them, and then we can change them out, and that's a part that's back to stock, and maybe I can sell the beige ones. I don't know, they're not that common, so maybe people are looking for them. We'll see. But first, let me get the cars out. So these parts I found already. That's the back part of the center console, sides of the doors. That's where the bottom goes up to the A-pillar, and I think the front part of the center console will be, way behind them boxes somewhere. So let's go try to find that. This went pretty quick. Gave them a quick little clean with a towel just to get the dust off. Now, let's go try and find the rest of the stuff. I have found it. So now, gonna clean that up a little bit, get the car back in, and get this installed. Should go pretty quickly, give the car on the inside a totally different look. So I want to be starting off with the center console. Already emptied it out. Only takes a few screws. There's down there we have a little cross screw. Then, for me, the handrests have to come out. Then in the back you take out the ashtray. There's two screws under there. Then the back part can come off. I think there's two hex stands underneath here, and then the whole thing slides out. Got my tools laying here, so I'm ready to go. out with the old. Now I'm gonna get the black ones back in. Hopefully getting them in goes a little bit easier than getting them out. The last piece that was sitting here was a real pain in the butt, but gonna set up the camera, take you through the process of putting it back in, but not in detail. When I was taking it out, you already could see where all the screws were, which one I had to take out, so now it's all that again in reverse. Well, seeing it again in black, as I still need to install the armrest, but seeing this again in black, really like it this way. I don't know, I'm really questioning myself why I put the beige in here. I liked it, but seeing it back in black now, I like this a lot more. So, well, why didn't I do this sooner so I could enjoy it a little bit more? But this what it is. I'm gonna do the sides now. I'm gonna do one on camera, probably one off camera. This is the hardest of two sides, just because the cable for the hood needs to come out. Sometimes it goes pretty easy, so like this one, it's been out a lot of times, so this one goes pretty easy, and it's just oh, and it's out. And then the black one can go in.
There is a place where I wanna go, where it all started a long time ago. I remember the days when it all comes back to me. Every time I go to sleep, you're lying next to me. We are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now. 'Cause we are forever young. 'Cause we are together now. No
As you could see, the side pretty straightforward, pretty quick. I think it took about 5 to 10 minutes only to do that now, because on the other side I do not have that many space. Pull the car out, quickly change it out off camera, and I'll get back to you guys when that's done. Got this side also fully blacked out again. It's now all black. It's looking pretty good. Well guys, I'm very happy how that turned out. Really happy it's black again. The beige pieces, well, I'm probably gonna sell. Got a whole bunch of them, even got dashboard pieces and some pieces from the rear. But I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything ever again with them. So might as well sell them. Unfortunately, I couldn't be working on repairing the car, but Saturday, D-Day, finally time to weld on the front piece to get it to US spec, and well, then I can finally start building the wide body onto that panel, replace it, replace the front bumper, and it's all looking nice again. Also, what I still need to do is get rid of the box, the sub box in the car, which is pretty sturdy built-in. Get the rear bench back in, because I want to turn it all back to stock inside to sell the car, as messages for the replacement are going back and forth, and I think it's going pretty good. So more info on that in a future video. So if you wanna follow the journey, be sure to subscribe. And well guys, that will bring us to the end of this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, as I said before, to follow the channel on updates on my cars. For now, guys, I will see you in the next one. I'm out.